So you have to open, so you have to, if you want to take this animal research, the report and information or report writing, first you have to write your name. So suppose I'm writing the Shikha, right? You have to write your own name. Here you have to write the animal's name, whatever you're taking. So I'm giving you one example. Here you have to draw the picture of the dog, and where does the animal lives? So it lives in the kennel. Now, how does the animal look? So uh, it is generally in small size. You can also write it has a tail. It has a tail and 4 legs. Okay, and what the animal eats? The animal eats, here you can write the animal eats. Wait. So here you can write the, and it eats bones. Okay, and you can write more. I'm just giving you one example. An interesting fact is you can write dogs have a very strong smelling sense. So you can write some of the interesting facts. So this way you have to proceed for the report writing.